everybody, welcome back to Hair and Beyond. Now, I know it's been a while since you guys have seen me, but life has been really busy, and today I am really excited because my Boxycharm came in, and it came in pretty early this month where, you know, June and July, it didn't come until the end of the month. So I'm like, why am I gonna make a video if it's not here yet? But it's the 13th and it came in today, so as promised before, I am gonna do a Boxycharm unboxing for you guys, okay? So stick around. Okay, so for those of you who don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly subscription that do send you 5 products with their basic box, and it's all full-size products for $25 US. So if you're Canadian, it's gonna be about $38, $39. So that's pretty much Boxycharm, and most of their items are already in Sephora, so you're getting really good quality stuff, okay, for a really, really good price. Now, every box that they send you, when you open it, it kind of looks like this, you know, really nice, little pink and whatnot. But for today and for this month, because every month they have a theme, right? So this month is called Go All Out, and that's what their card looks like. Okay, so let's dig in because I'm excited. Okay, so the first item that they sent us today is the L'Oreal Geller, the Casual Collection Multi Finish Eyeshadow Palette. So, girl or guys, if you like makeup, I swear every month when I get Boxycharm, they send me an eye palette. I honestly love it because I love playing with colors. It's honestly just the best thing ever. So, let's see what this palette looks like. See if I'm excited or not. Okay, so I'm not really that excited because, you know, these are more fall colors or just really nice neutrals. So if this is the type of color scheme that you like, you're gonna love this palette, I'm guessing. I can't say if the quality is good, but in regards to the colors, they are not my forte. Like, okay, I'm lying, because I would use this one because I really like shimmers, as you guys can see. So I would use this one, this one, this one, this. I would actually use a lot of them, actually, now that I'm thinking about it. It's just that the colors are not like vibrant, which I love my eyeshadow palettes to be really nice and vibrant because I love to play with colors. But this is a nice base if, you know, that's what you're into. I'm not too excited about it because I have so many base colors already, but you can't go wrong with a palette. You can give it to somebody. Maybe I might give this to somebody. You never know. So that's the first product. Now in here, they do tell you what the product is worth. So for this palette, it's actually worth $45. So it's pretty expensive, but it's not too bad, right? Now the second thing that they did send me is the All Night Bender Rockins Cosmetics mascara. Now, to be honest with you guys, I've already gotten like 3 mascaras from Boxycharm that I haven't even gotten to use yet. So this is definitely probably gonna go to somebody because I don't want to keep holding on to mascaras for so long and never use them. So this is the other product. Let me turn it this way so you guys can see. It's cute. Now this mascara is worth $29. Wow, for mascara. So we'll see. Now, the third one that they sent me that I am definitely not excited about is the Caffeinated hair mask. Now, you know, for all my black people out there, you know, we're very iffy about the things that we put in our hair. Now, I am not sure if this would work for our hair type, so, you know, I might give this to a friend. But this is it. It is the Frank Body Caffeinated Hair Mask. And this hair mask is pretty cheap. It's only worth $16.95. So yeah, like I said, just because of my hair type and, you know, being, you know, type 4 hair, I'm really skeptical about things that I put in my hair. So I might not use this and I might give this away to a friend or something like that. Now, this looks pretty exciting. This, ooh, okay. I love mist and all these nice face stuff. So this is a hyaluronic acid. It has peptides and antioxidants. It's a pineapple glow mist from Clean Skin Club, okay? So this is what the package looks like, and it's honestly so cute. They have like, you know, right here, which I like. It's kind of like chemicals and the chemical formula for those of you who like science like myself. And it has like the pineapple glow mist. So I'm guessing that's probably for the hyaluronic acid formula. But yeah, isn't this cute? I'm gonna open it because I want to see what the bottle looks like. Oh wow, this is honestly such a cute packaging. Look at this, guys. This is beautiful. I love the matte finish of the glass and the frostedness of the glass. Now, let's see what it smells like. It's supposed to be for your skin, so let's see. Oops, wrong side. It doesn't have a smell, but there is no shimmer or shine to it. So I'm guessing this is just supposed to really like hydrate your skin. Let's see what it says. It says you're supposed to use this on your, it says spray a few pumps onto your clean towel before patting your face dry. Oh, so you're supposed to spray this on your towel and then pat this on your face, which is supposed to give you a nourishing and freshing finish. So, you know, something to use, why not? Honestly, since I've been using Boxycharm's products on my skin, I'm not gonna lie, my skin do feel really nice, so I don't see nothing wrong with this in terms of trying it. I'll definitely let you guys know if I like it. But this is $38, it does retail for, so that's exciting. Now, the last thing that we got here, which is an item that I chose for this month, it is the Lava Beauty Flirty Lash Set. So it does come with your eyelashes adhesive. It comes with this really nice tweezer to put your eyelashes on, and it comes with the lashes. Now, this is really good for people who do struggle to put on lashes, which sometimes I really do. I'm like with my tweezer really trying to get it on there. So this applicator here, it has like a wider head, so you're probably able to put it on properly. Now, I haven't used it yet to see if it actually does make life easier, but it looks like it does. So that's the 5th product. Now, let me know down below if any of these products you guys are excited about. And also let me know if you've ever had Boxycharm, or if you've subscribed, or if you're an ongoing subscriber. Let me know if you guys like Boxycharm, okay? Now, this wraps up today's video, and I really hope you guys like it. And I'll definitely post maybe a review video or two going in the future of if I liked any of these products. But until next time, I'll see you guys again on Here and Beyond. Bye!